How to convert string representation of list to a list. I was wondering what the simplest way is to convert a string representation of a list like the following to a list. Even in cases where the user puts spaces in between the commas and spaces inside of the quotes, I need to handle that as well and convert it to. I know I can strip spaces with strip and split and check for non-letter characters. But the code was getting very kludgy. Is there a quick function that I'm not aware of?
There is a quick solution. Unwanted witty spaces in the list elements may be removed in this way.
The eval is dangerous, you shouldn't execute user input. If you have 2.6 or newer, use AST instead of eval. Once you have that, strip the strings. If you're on an older version of Python, you can get very close to what you want with a simple regular expression. This isn't as good as the AST solution, for example it doesn't correctly handle escape quotes in strings. But it's simple, doesn't involve a dangerous eval, and might be good enough for your purpose if you're on an older Python without AST.
ast.literal_eval. Evaluate an expression node or a string containing only a Python literal or container display. The string or node provided may only consist of the following Python literal structures: strings, bytes, numbers, tuples, lists, dicts, sets, booleans, none, and ellipsis. This can be used for evaluating strings containing Python values without the need to parse the values oneself. It is not capable of evaluating arbitrarily complex expressions, for example involving operators or indexing.
The JSON module is a better solution whenever there is a stringified list of dictionaries. The JSON.loads your underscore data, a function can be used to convert it to a list. Similarly,
if you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.